Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy tax planning with Ernst Young, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the fundamental principles of tax planning. Recognize the importance of aligning tax strategies with your financial goals. Familiarize yourself with the tax laws relevant to your jurisdiction. Research the services offered by Ernst Young in the realm of tax planning. Contact Ernst Young to schedule an initial consultation. Prepare for your meeting by gathering all pertinent financial documents. During your consultation, openly discuss your financial situation and objectives. Ask specific questions about their tax planning process and expertise. Consider the various tax strategies they suggest for your situation. Review any potential risks and benefits associated with each strategy. Request a detailed outline of the proposed tax planning services. Discuss the timeline and costs involved for implementing the recommended strategies. Once you decide to move forward, formally engage their services. Collaborate closely with your designated Ernst Young tax advisor. Implement the agreed-upon tax strategies in a timely manner. Regularly review and adjust your tax plan as your financial situation evolves. Keep abreast of any changes in tax legislation that may affect your plan. Schedule periodic check-ins with your tax advisor to assess progress. Maintain accurate records throughout the year for effective tax filing. Celebrate the peace of mind that comes with strategic tax planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.